How's it going, everyone? It's on to another video here. I want to talk about Sava. I know it's got everyone's eyes here as it had a massive 30% drop. It had a nice little rally here, but if you didn't take profits, this is kind of what happens here. And we got so close to our target here, the EMA 20. We got so close where, this right here is, an area that I would definitely get out of, or even the EMA 10 right in here is the yellow. The EMA 20 is the blue, EMA 10 is the yellow. I would have never been holding any of this in here. And your entry to get in could have been easily down here at the ATR 4 or waited for time distance and got in down in here and sold at the EMA 5 or 10, however you wanted to do. But Sava, yeah, I really like it for the pumps, but you got to be really careful with these biotech companies. This one's located in Texas. It's focused on Alzheimer's disease, which is interesting. So, yeah, it can have really massive pumps, but every biotech company has big drops to it too. It's not just all, just rallying and rallying. So when you're up and you have a plan, always take your plan. So with my plan is we always take profit at the 5, 10, and 20. And if you're part of my Discord service, you know exactly, why I do that. So everyone in Sava, let me know what you think about it. I'm looking at this trade. I would give this one some time. We have a 47.97K. When it dropped, it had a 64, so it was definitely due for a correction. I'm not really I don't try to get really too involved in this. I love to look at the technical charts, see what we have here. Are we at the ATR 4? Does it make sense for it to bounce when it's well below here? Absolutely, because ATR 5 is extremely oversold for a higher price stock, and they tend to do that. And then price tends to revert to the mean, which is the EMA 20. But this did it really fast. I would never expected that. I would have aimed for the EMA 5 and 10, and I would have been out. Because look at this gain you could have got 20% just this one day here, and it just kept going up and up. 5%, 7%, not 10%. You can't be greedy with this, guys. It gave you plenty of opportunities. Let's wait for a new low. Right in here, ATR 4, and we'll see what we get here. And also, let's look at the trend channel. What are we looking at here? As you can see, price was very perspective. We have our low here. It went up through in here. We could very well see a trend channel with the ATR 4 right in here with a nice bounce. I don't think it's going to get there right away. It could take some time, but that's really what I want to see, guys. So this is Sava. As you can, I'm going to look at the past here. As you can see, when price gets close to the lower band, it does tend to pump. It's done it consistently. This one really respects the strategy. ATR 4, and then it pumps, goes to the upper band, and then it drops. None of us are surprised about that. This is what price action does. It reverts to the mean, and it's just been doing it consistently. So if you guys want to learn more about this strategy, I'm transparent. I have a very high win ratio, and it took me years and years to develop it. Blew a lot of accounts, so it's hard, guys. Do not feel bad if you lose money. It's definitely hard, in the market. I like to look for trend reversals. I don't like to buy stocks when there's really not an overreaction type of play, because then you get this kind of movement where it's very boring. When price goes up like this, gets close to the upper band, it breaks out a pattern, then you get more of an action of what you can do, right? So we'd be able to sell near the ATR 4, short it, and we'd be buying it below the ATR 4. And the ATR 4 is that bottom band. So yeah, that's my analysis. This one, please, I would just say wait on it. Just give it some time. Let the dust settle. We never want to trade a big falling knife. We want it to settle down a little, and we want to meet the system requirements. I know Sava, we love it. It has a lot of volume. It gets a lot of hype. It's been known for big moves, so I get why it's on the radar. But that's my analysis, guys. If you guys want to join the preview Discord, you guys are always welcome. We're close to 6,000 members. We're growing fast. This strategy anyone can do. I'm telling you, you guys, it's the easiest strategy, and we keep trading simple, right? If you just keep it simple, you will be profitable, and there's so much to learn. If you guys want to join, click the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. I'll put the Discord link in there, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe, avoid the scammers. A lot of people will message or DM you, impersonate me, but I will never message you first. The easiest way to subscribe is hitting server shop, and you'll see I offer day Swing Trading Plus and Day and Swing Trading Plus. Day and Swing Trading Plus gives you the most value for only $12 a month, and you unlock all these channels, and you get my alerts, my entries, my exits, my journal with an over 95% win ratio, and all that is included. So yeah, this is the strategy. Yeah, just be patient, guys. Let's see what we can do. If it definitely hits the bottom trend channel here, I'm definitely taking it because I like the company. I think it's a great area. It's always been respecting the strategy, so I'll definitely take it, and I look forward to that. But yeah, it's just more of a patient game because right here it didn't really make sense to buy. We're getting close to upper trend. We're touching the EMA 20, and price usually, they completed its mission, and it can very well go down from there. So hope you guys liked the video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I look forward to you. If you want to join the Discord, I'm always there to help you guys. I will guarantee you will be profitable if you do this. It's a proven system that works. And if you guys like the video, give it a like. It helps the channel a lot. And I hope to see you guys soon. Peace out and happy trading.